Hello there. In this short video, I'll show you how to use the Microsoft Authenticator application to easily complete the MFA process and enter your IoT platform. Go to the IoT platform login site, enter your credentials and click Sign In. Download the Microsoft Authenticator on your smartphone and click Next Step. Open the Microsoft Authenticator app, agree on privacy statements, and select the option Scan a QR code. Once you have scanned the QR code, the authentication code will be provided. Write it in the verification code in the IoT platform, and click Confirm. Great job! You have just finished the MFA process, and you're good to continue using the ALSO IoT platform. Now, we will repeat the same process for the All Things TalkMaker platform. Go to the IoT platform login site, enter your credentials and click Sign In. Click Next Step and scan the QR code with the Microsoft Authentication application. Click on Confirm. Congrats! You have now authenticated the Maker platform. Enjoy it!